After carefully reviewing Momo Watched Out site, there are a few things to consider before deciding whether it is legit or a scam. The website promotes simple video tasks, exciting offers, and generous referral rewards, making it seem like an easy way to earn money in your free time. However, there is limited transparency regarding who owns or operates the platform, and there are no clear details about how and when users will actually receive payments. While some users claim to have made earnings, there are also concerns about delayed or missing payouts, as well as a lack of reliable customer support. Additionally, the site's business model raises questions about sustainability, as platforms promising high rewards for minimal effort often turn out to be unsustainable in the long run. There are no verified trust signals, and the absence of strong user feedback from reputable sources makes it difficult to fully trust the platform. While it does not appear to be an outright scam, there are risks involved, and users should be cautious when investing their time and effort, ensuring they do not rely on it as a guaranteed source of income.